Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on YFII token. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my recent trade setup of YFII token that I shared a few days ago with my members on 12th of November. That was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move, and when I shared this idea, you can see it was just completing the final leg of this bad move. It was moving here at 34.85 cents, and as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bad move, the reversal zone or the buying zone starts from 34.25 cents and goes to 33.67 cents, and our sell target zone is, by the way, from 35.99 and it goes to 30 sorry, these are not the cents or dollars, this is with the Bitcoin pair, and the sell target zone starts from 0.3599 and goes to 0.3783 Bitcoins, and this is the buying zone that starts from 0.3425 and goes to 0.3367 Bitcoins. And I told my members that we can wait for the price line to complete this final leg, and it can drop more in order to complete this final leg. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and completed the leg. And after the completion of this final leg, it again moved very well up to 0.4067 Bitcoins. That was more than 20% surge against the Bitcoin, and obviously against US dollar, that is bigger surge. Now, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then here you can see we have already broken out the resistance of this down channel, and previously we had a breakout. We had a very powerful attempt for the breakout here back in June 2022, and the next attempt was here. That was back in July 2022, and before that you can see we also broke down the support of the channel but re-entered this same channel after forming a double bottom here in the month of June, from May to June on this weekly time frame chart. And after forming this double bottom here, you can see this was the first bottom, this was the second bottom. We had a nice surge that was from this low to this high, more than 600% surge, but could not break out this resistance that we have here at $2,370. And now you can see that after breaking out this time, the price line has also broken out this next resistance of $2,370. So far, the weekly candlestick is not closed above this resistance, but if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks have been closed above this resistance. Therefore, I'm expecting that now we will have the weekly closing above this resistance as well. Now it is trying to break out the next resistance that we have here at $3,650, and in fact from $3,650 to $4,500 can be a very strong resistance zone. And previously we can see that this level had been working as a resistance, support, and resistance here, and now it can again work as a resistance. Even on the 4-hour time frame chart can be seen that we are getting rejected by this resistance. Now let's take a look at the inverse head and shoulder pattern that I was showing you in my previous videos as well. And you can see that we have already broken out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. The final target for this channel after this breakout is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $7,000. And the final target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern after the breakout is here. That is approximately at $9,800. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.